In this video, you'll learn how to keep track of your contacts and quickly reach out using Contact List. Every time someone submits their contact details to your site, it'll show up here. You can also manually add new contacts, filter and organize them, build mailing lists, and import or export contacts all from one place. So let's see how it's done. To open your contact list, go to your site dashboard, select Customer Management, then Contact List. Click Add New Contact up here to add a new contact manually. Enter their details, add new fields if you need, then click Save. You can also import multiple contacts in one go. Click More Actions, then select Import Contacts to add contacts from a CSV file or Gmail account. Let's start with a CSV. First, you'll need to prepare your file. If you want, you can download this sample to practice. Make sure your field titles like first name and last name are in the first row. Next, check that every contact has a phone number or email address. When you're ready, head back to your dashboard and upload your file. Here, make sure each field of your CSV file matches a Wix contact field. If your file includes a custom field, like this, add it to the list. Now label these contacts to help you identify them later. We'll call them Previous Customer Base. Click Import to finish. To import contacts from Gmail, click Connect and choose an account. Enter your password and click Allow, then Next. Add labels if you want, then click Import to finish. Now that you've imported your contacts, you can decide which info you want to display about them. Click Settings and choose up to 5 columns that are most relevant for your business. For example, if you regularly get in touch over the phone, switch out Address for phone number. To add new fields, go back to More Actions at the top, then click Manage Custom Fields. Here you can add, edit, and rename your fields. Let's add a date field so we can keep track of customer birthdays. From here, you can also see and manage your labels. For example, you might have site contributors who help manage your business, new contacts who are yet to become customers, and members who get exclusive benefits. Use this search bar at the top to find a specific contact from your list. Now select the checkbox to perform an action, like creating an invoice for them. You can also find contacts using this filtering tool. Let's say I'm putting on an exclusive sale. I can filter by label to show members only and send them a personalized email campaign. Click on a contact to open their unique contact card. Here you'll see a complete overview of the contact, and you can start a conversation with them through live chat. To learn more, check out the contact card video in this series. That's it. Start keeping track of everyone who interacts with your website and business in one place. And check out more products from Ascend by Wix, designed to help you manage and grow your business.